Good morning, friends, and welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another day in the life. Today I am going to be doing some stuff around the house. We finally got around to cleaning off this back deck. Actually, everything is off of here now. It's all down on the pool deck down below. It's super bright out there, but I finally need to be able to paint that wood. I'll show you what it looks like over here. There's a lot of bare wood over here, and I just want to prevent it from rotting. So I am hoping to start that today. That probably will take me most of the week to finish. Yuri is leaving again tonight or this afternoon. He's gonna be back and forth this week, so he's been out of town more than he's been in town lately, and that is going to be the same thing this week, it sounds like. But we are getting ready to make some breakfast. I think, you know, it's Monday, so I think pancakes are in order. I know that's kind of a weekend breakfast, but why not have it on Monday? Sophie.
What?
Somebody wasn't ready to get up this morning.
Photograph of us without cares and worn out clothes. Doesn't seem so long ago. Now I'm just sitting here bored at home, and it really got me thinking of the times we took off on the road. I can't remember where we headed that night. We were cruising around town in Memphis.
So we got the paint. It's actually almost full still. And then we got a long pole. We got the roller itself, but we don't have any of the covers. 2 plus 2 is 4. Let's see, we've used those, right? And then 4 plus 7 is?
11.
That's how we do it. So 3 plus 2 is?
5.
And 5 plus 5 is?
5 plus 5.
5 plus 5 is?
10.
4 plus 4 is?
Won't forget that windows down and open top. But we were clever not to take it too far, though it's hard not getting tempted. Calling you up to see how you've been, 'cause don't I miss you and all those things we did back then. Way back then. By. Is it 12 years since last time? Where'd you go? What's the score? Did you find what you were looking for? I never see you anymore.
So what do you have going on today, Katie?
I have French, which I've done. I have math. Trying to think what else I have. I have music.
Yeah, so this year Katie's been doing all of her own scheduling. I didn't really put anything in there except for economics, just to break it up over the semester. Are you caught up with economics at this point? In the beginning of the year, we had to kind of push that off a little bit to get used to the, I guess, the new workload and the college schedule or everything. And we made it to where I think it was like twice a week that you would do economics. What lesson are you on in that? You should be almost done.
I just did the 5th test, and there's 6 tests.
Okay, we'll let you get back to it.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. washed out by the rain. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this.
Sophie's all done with school, so she's playing in her room. Katie is still working. I'm gonna go put on like a different jacket and take the sweater off, but then I'm gonna get started outside.
If you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day to leave behind your troubles. There's a new day and it will set you free. There's a new day to get you through your struggles. I will always think of you and me. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this.
Headed to Sherwin-Williams because running out of paint. I have like less than a quarter of the can left, and I've only done about a third of the deck. So I'm gonna go get 2 more cans of paint. This was a custom match, so we don't know the actual color. So I'm gonna get 2 cans of that, and then I'm also gonna have them color match my cabinets so that I can paint that trim above the cabinets the same color as the cabinets, because to me it looks weird that it's like an off-white. So hopefully we can get this done.
We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. We got everything here, at least to stay alive, and the time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel that we got something strong? And I saw you.
Friends, we'd love to pray for you. If we can pray for you, let us know in the comments below.
May come as a surprise that with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about. We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way.
All right, friends, the deck is done. I still need to do all of the like benches, those railings. I need to do that, and ultimately I'm also going to do inside the screen porch, although they have, and it's so dark in here, I don't know if you can tell, but they have the trim on the screen porch painted the same as the deck, and then they've got this color the same as like the siding on our house, but the outside of the screen porch is the same as the deck color. So I actually might change it to this gray color, because it would lighten it up a little bit, which I think would be nice, and just leave like this wall, the sort of darker gray. It almost looks brown against this other cooler gray, but might just leave like the ceiling and this wall alone, and then put all of the screen porch boards the same color as this trim, which is the same color as the actual deck out here, and it's also the same color as the other side of these boards, because the outside of this is all painted in that light gray. So anyway, feels good to at least have this done. I'm probably going to have to touch up a few areas again, because we had some really bad spots that probably need 2 coats. We are having a quick and easy supper tonight. Definitely not super nutritious. I'm just making some elbow noodles, and I'm gonna add some butter, milk, and cheese to make mac and cheese the quick way. And we got some fried chicken from the grocery store, the Harris Teeter, and we're just kind of heating that up in the air fryer, and that is pretty much it. We didn't even have any vegetables to add to it tonight.
I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get away. It's time we make a change. Oh, you know you'll always have me. Baby, I will always stay with you. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. The 2 of us, we don't have to stop. Baby, let's go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your bag if you'll have mine. You and I wanna leave everything behind. If you wanted to, promise you we will be alright. If it's you and I want you to myself. We can stay in hotels, just living off the edge. Only good times ahead. So let me put a smile upon your face. Maybe make your worries go away.
Okay, the deck's done as far as like this side of the bench. I still need to paint on the other side, and I also need to get those little posts up underneath. And the flooring's done all over the whole deck. That side of the bench is done. At some point we're going to need to do the screen porch, but that's probably not part of this project. And the railings were just done, so I'm just going to kind of wait and see what it looks like when everything else is done. We just did the railings. The railings are brand new. When they put the pool in, we had to put in new railings, and we had to paint them then. So if they look like really dirty or something, I'll paint those. But other than that, all I need to do is paint the back side of the bench and those posts, and then like whatever you can see at the ground level on the other side on the deck. Gary's been in here loading up some dishes, and what time is it, Gary? 6:11. I can't believe it's so late. And Gary hasn't left yet. He's getting ready to leave. Where are you going?
Charleston.
Charleston. Going to Charleston. So not too far, right?
Nope.
Couple hours?
2 hours.
So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far.
Thanks for hanging out with us today, friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.